In this example, what we'll want to do is take a collection and add an item to that collection. I've gone ahead and already created a variable called COL cities. It's a type collection, that's why I use the naming convention COL. And what we want to do in here is we want to add a number of cities. And because we have a collection, let's just concentrate exactly on adding one item to the collection. So we'll take this add item to collection action, double click to configure, and what we want to do here is choose the target collection. We've already created that variable, and we'll choose that variable, COL cities. From there, we need to choose the index in which the item will go into in the collection. Because we have not placed any items in this collection, we want to start at the first entry in the collection, and that is going to be 0. The first will always be 0, the second will be 1, the third will be 2 as far as index. So we can put a hard-coded value here of 0 for the starting index of this value, and from there we can actually set the value in. Now we have the option to choose different data types, which is pretty neat because we can actually go and nest collections within collection. But we'll just concentrate on text for this easy example. So we'll just type Seattle as the value we want, and then we need to choose the output of this add item to collection. We targeted the first collection, and then we'll place it in this target collection. We can always choose a different output if we wanted a different one, so we don't change the configuration of the initial target collection. We can always choose a secondary collection, but what we want to do is store this value in the originating collection, the targeting collection that we began with here. So we'll store that in that initial collection and click save. Now we are able to add the item to that collection once the workflow runs. There's a whole bunch of other actions you can use when working with collections, but simply adding an item, all you have to do is use the add item to collection action.